Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. Marisol Yotta is a well-known German fashion model, social media influencer, Instagram personality, content producer, OnlyFans star, and businesswoman from Berlin, Germany. Marisol Yotta was born on Tuesday, June 16, 1987, to her parents. Yotta was born in Berlin, Germany, and reared there. Marisol is from a Christian household. Marisol Ortiz, according to various media accounts, is her genuine birth name. In the nation, she is also known as Queen M. According to accounts, she graduated from a prestigious German institution. Marisol afterward began working in her modeling career. In terms of body measurements, she is a pretty girl with an amazing and cool personality. Marisol Yotta is 5 feet 3 inches tall and weighs around 55 kilograms. She has a nice body figure and is in good health. Her hair is brown, and she has hazel eyes. This stunning woman is well known for her stunning modeling photographs. Marisol's principal source of income is her modeling business. Her OnlyFans account is her other source of revenue. According to her Twitter account, she is presently enjoying high life in Dubai. She also has a number of high-end vehicles. She also posted several images of her opulent home. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.